this. No, let me take what I can do it. Are you kidding me? Like, is this me? Are you sure? Cause damn, like I'm not one say the game. Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. My name is Jella. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to do short passion twists. This beautiful short passion twist you can see here. I'm so pretty and I like it, but there's no heat. God. It will be okay, baby. I think I'll not stretch my hair again. I'll just go ahead and work with this one like that. So I'm going to bring a mirror here because I have to do the pattern and I have to look at my back and all that. So I'm back in the next clip. It's 9:06 a.m. and I haven't even eaten, but I'm shooting Jesus Christ. But I'm shooting God, I'm shooting this video for you guys because I love you. So if you're seeing this, like before I even continue, and you see that red thing, like just click on it, just subscribe and turn on post notifications, and don't forget to leave a comment, guys. Leave anything like, oh, I love your hair, and like anything at all. Like it really helps me a lot. I beg you, leave any comments, okay? Let's do the pattern, then let's get right to business. Okay, so guys, I'm halfway through the pattern. Yeah, so like I'm left with just this one. Let me show you how the back looks like. I don't know if it's perfect, but then I think I've tried. Yeah. So I'm going to do this one on camera for you guys to see. So the only difficult thing about this hairstyle is the pattern, and I think pattern is the only difficult step in every hairstyle because you have to deal with the back and all that. Yeah, and the back is what I really suffered with. That's why I did that off camera. Yeah, but then with time we get perfect. But pattern can also be pretty easy too. You just have to make sure the lines you are making is straight, and also make sure the parts or sections you create are of equal size. Okay, so after I've taken a section, I take my Echo Style gel so that the hair lays down and everything. Then I take a tie. So after tying the section of hair, you have to make sure it lies flat with the gel. So you have to tighten. So that's what you have to do. You open up and tighten it well. So that's all about pattern. You just take a section, apply a gel, then you tighten it with a tie as I'm doing. Yeah. So that's all about pattern. Then after that you tighten it very well. Yeah, I'm done with the pattern. So this is how my hair is still in its kinky state, so like you wouldn't see the pattern very well. I do the braids and everything. But this is how it looks like. Okay guys, so like I went off camera and did the back and some parts of the front too, so that yeah, so it's left with about 4 here that I have to do. So I'm going to do this one on camera so that you guys can see the process. and I'm using the crochet method. I'm not using feeding. So this is what I'm using to take. Oh no, it's 8 rather. Sorry. Like when you have the extensions, it's so easy to do. So you can do it on your own. So I'm going to show you. So first, then you see my hair is still in its kinky nature. So like the texture is still kinky. So if I go ahead and put the extensions in it like that, it will come out like this one. So I'll be using a mousse olive oil. So I'm going to show you the step again. So first you take the mousse, then you detangle your hair. So using the mousse is pretty optional. If you think your hair is softer than mine, you can just go ahead and do it like that. You just have to apply a gel. I was at first using this gel, but then I stopped because the gel wasn't really helping. So the reason why I'm using the mousse is just to make my hair soft. Then I pick my hair extension. If you are supposed to use water waves, it won't come with a straw, so you just go ahead and pick it. But since I made these water waves myself, so I'll take my crochet pen then like this. So you put the hair into the crochet hook like this, then you pull it out of your hair. Sometimes it's hard to come out, so you can just take the crochet hook out like this, then you use your hand to bring it out. So after you bring it out a bit, you hold on to one end of the water wave or the curled hair, then you pull it out, then you compare. So you divide your natural hair into two like this, then you tighten the width, then you hold each part onto a part of the. So we're twisting to twist in the direction that you're comfortable with, and it shouldn't be tight. Like you extend it and you twist them like this. Yeah. So after you twist for a while, you compare it to see if it's up to the length, the desired length you want. So I'm going to do a bit again. Then okay, so I think so. I'll take a rubber band, then I'll secure the nuts. I don't want this hair to disturb me, so I'm cutting it off with scissors. And you have to make sure to tighten the knots really tight so that the hair doesn't unravel, and use a rubber band which is really hard to break. Yeah, I feel the black ones are really hard to break than the colored ones, so yeah, so you see. So I will take my scissors and I'll cut the hair right after the knots here. I'm done. Basically this is what I'm doing. You see how simple it is. So I'm going to do it for the rest of my hair. So just installing the hair extensions into the sections or the parts you've created isn't really a difficult task if you have all your extensions in place and everything. As you can see, this was really easy to do, except with the fact that with the back it took a bit of time because you can't really see, you have to look in the mirror and all that. That's why I didn't do that on record, I didn't do that on camera. But then this should take approximately 30 minutes to fix everything. When you've already done your pattern and all that, it was pretty easy, and I really enjoyed making this hairstyle. So it doesn't really, the only process I think takes much time is pattern, because you see, as you can see, I didn't really even do mine well because the lines weren't that really straight, as you can see with professional hairstylists. So it's the pattern that take much time, the pattern that would take much of your time.
So apart from the pattern, everything about this hairstyle is pretty simple and easy. And maybe making of the extension, since I made it myself, but I did that like 3 days later before making this hairstyle, so that wasn't a problem. But if you buy the extensions and you're just fixing it, then it should take you like an hour to finish this. That's what I think. But this is really a hairstyle to try it.
Look at this. Look at this. Isn't this nice? Let me use some mousse.
So yeah, we are done in this process. I'm just styling it the way I want. You can actually even leave it like that because it's short and you can work it like that, but I decided to try something, and yeah, I'm just spicing it with some cups or whatever you call it. So this style is, I think, half up half down, right? Yeah, and it's so pretty. This hairstyle, like, I really loved it. Yeah, so in the next style, I just left it like it is, just added more of the caps to enhance the beauty. And yeah, this is really optional. You can just rock it like that with no caps, but then that adds some spice. And this is the style that I really love. Look at this. This was so beautiful. Yeah.
So this is the end of the video, and this is the style. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this hair. Would you love to try it? I like the fact that it's bouncy, like, and it's so light, like it's not heavy at all. Guys, as I said, let me know in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle, and rate it in the comment section. Let me see what you think. Okay, like it's so nice. Look at it. I'm so proud of myself. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of these videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. So it's like seeing the next video is bye bye. This no, let me take what I can do it. Are you kidding me? Like, is this me? Are you sure? Cause damn, like I'm not gonna say it again. I don't know. This is the most beautiful hairstyle I've ever made in my whole life. Like, you guys can tell. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it well, if the camera is doing justice to it, but look at this. Like, look at this. Look at this. Jeez. Okay. So this is the end of the video, okay? Bye bye.